Setting up a blog with Hubspot. Welcome to today's video on setting up a blog with Hubspot. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the steps to create a professional-looking blog that showcases your brand and helps you establish your online presence. Hubspot is a powerful platform that offers a range of tools and features to help you create, manage, and optimize your blog. With Hubspot, you can create custom templates, add multimedia content, and integrate your blog with other marketing tools. To get started, first, you need to sign up for a Hubspot account. Go to the Hubspot website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill out the registration form with your email address, password, and other details. Once you've created your account, you'll be taken to the Hubspot dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the Marketing tab and then select Blog from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the blog creation page. Here, you can choose from a range of templates and customize your blog's design and layout. Next, you need to add content to your blog. You can create new pages, add text, images, and other multimedia content. Use the WYSIWYG editor to format your content and make it look professional. Once you've added your content, click on the Publish button to make it live. Your blog is now live and ready for visitors to view. To optimize your blog for search engines, you need to add meta tags and descriptions. Go to the Settings tab and click on SEO to add your meta title, description, and keywords. Finally, to promote your blog, you need to share it on social media and other channels. Use the Share button to share your blog on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and other platforms. That's it. With these steps, you can set up a professional-looking blog with Hubspot. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. We'll be publishing more tutorials and guides on marketing and blogging.